I'm super excited to finally open a box that I have been waiting for a long time ago. So let's do it together, opening another of these exciting boxes. Sometimes you have seen me doing, but this time let's see what is in this box. Let's see, takes me a little bit of time to open it because I'm not very skillful at doing this. It's definitely very sealed. Let's see what is here. Done. Let's see. Wow, okay. The packing sleeve and ta-da! Oh my goodness! It's finally Interfaceless is here. So much work that have been put into this, and finally it is in our hands. I think that I like this beautiful pink that they decided to put here, and yeah, definitely it has that sort of futuristic style. As a little bit of a background how the cover came to be, the publisher submitted a couple of potential covers, and I decided to call for some people to ask them what would be your preferred option, and most people voted for this one. So if you were one of those ones that voted for this one, look, here it is. At the beginning writing this book, I thought that it was gonna be like about 200 or 250 pages book, and it turned out to be, let me see at the end of this book how many pages, at 353 pages. So it's amazing. Look at this. It's definitely a lot of work and a big effort to make this happen. I want to, now that I'm sharing here about the book, I want to offer a very special note of gratitude to the technical reviewer of Interfaceless. This is Jerry Medeiros, a professional engineer, and he has over a decade of hands-on experience in immersive technology, and he, at the time of writing this book, was one of the engineering managers at Unity. So it's very exciting because he took the time to go over all the book to make sure that this information was concrete and that it was reflective of what actually was the knowledge there that should be backed up by research. So excited about this. There are so many interesting things in this book. A little bit of these, the chapters. The first one is setting the stage for the interfaceless feature, just like when we don't know what interfaceless means. This is the section where it gets clarified. Exploring generative AI and its transformative power, and the principles of conscious design, which is one of the most interesting things that I've ever tried to do, because it's something that encompasses the whole society and also the individual at the same time, and that is something that was not very widespread in design. So I decided to bring it here as one of the solutions for all the ethical issues that we are having right now. And of course, the evolving role of AI, designing for simplicity, interfaceless environments, and then using AI, ML, DL, and physical devices toward interfaceless experiences. Then we discussed about leveraging AI. And of course, other chapters about ethics and even more interesting things about tools, how to use them, and how to leverage these technologies or these tools for good for society. So yeah, that's super exciting for me to finally have it in my hands. I didn't definitely have this experience before, so how it is, this is my first time, so of course it's pretty exciting. I'm just looking here for something about in the intro that I remember that was important. This book was definitely dedicated to, of course, all the people that is reading it. So it was essentially for every one of you. And in the acknowledgements, this is my first statement. First and foremost, my deepest gratitude goes to my family, Sarah, my mom, Steven, Gani, and Penny. Their unwavering belief in my ability to convey this pivotal message to the world was the anchor of my inspiration. And to my two faithful dogs, who patiently waited their carols and I poured my heart into these pages, thank you for their silent comfort. Together, their collective support was the beacon that guided me through the long nights and challenging moments in this journey. And so, of course, I want to offer very, very special gratitude to Wilmot Spar, who is the managing director of Springer Nature, James Robinson, who was the editor, James Markham, another editor, Griffin Winkler, Sean Me, who was the project manager for this book. And of course, I have to offer a special gratitude, as I mentioned, to Jerry Medeiros, the technical reviewer of the book. And of course, more people have been involved with it. Especially also, you know that for the podcast, I have interviewed many people that have made many contributions through their works or through their apps or through their tools to this field, XR, spatial computing, AI. And I had the amazing pleasure to feature them in this book as well with their point of view. So yeah, thanks to all of you for following this journey, and I'm super excited. If you want to take a look, you can just search it on Google as Interfaceless Conscious Design for Spatial Computing. You're gonna find it very easily. But yeah, super excited to share this with you. Thank you!